Morning everyone, I hope you're well, hope everything's good. Just going to give you guys a quick small instructional video on the routine that we've been working on for assembly. I'll do it step by step, count by count, so you guys know what's going on. Please take note that we are doing it twice. So as the routine finishes, there's a little bit extra that I've added on, it's nothing major, and then that'll link you up to go straight back into the same routine. But I'm not gonna stop the music and then start again. I'm gonna let the music play so that everybody does it to slightly different music, like it's the different part of the song. Okay, let's get started. So, from here, nice and strong, right hand, right foot, we go 1 to the front, 2, 3, 4, then out to the side, 5, 6, other side, 7, 8. Right foot, 1, 2, right foot, 3 and 4. Take it back to the right, 6, 7, 8. Right hand, 1, 2, 3, together, up, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Pushing up with the right foot, 1, 2, 3, 4. Take it to the right first, 5, click, 6, 7, click, 8. We leave the left foot where it is, we drag the right foot in, 1, 2, 3, 4. We bounce and we take it 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we push right hand, 2 with the left, step out on the right foot, 3 and 4, roll it up, 5, 6, 7, 8 to the corner, we take it back down. Excuse me, 1, 2, 3, bring the right foot back in, 4, swing from the elbows, 5 to the right, 6, 7, standing up straight. Extend those arms nice and long, 1 right hand, 2, 3, clap by the knee, take it, 5, 6, 7 by the stomach, double clap. Now we step back out on the right foot, and as we step out, we bounce for 4 counts, and we go 1, 2, 3, 4, but at the same time, the arms are just gonna sway up, 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 clap, and then we pivot, keep our feet where they are, pivot as we've been talking about in class, to the right side, and repeat that with 2 claps, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And I'm doing it with the right hand first, left. Now, what I've got all the kids doing is just to make it sound like, hey! So as they hit that point, everyone just lets out a nice big hey with it. So from here, we've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We go, hey! Clap and hey! Clap, clap. Then all we do is we walk around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we repeat and go through it all the way from the top, all the way through again. Once we finish that the second time, and we've done all the A's, we just walk around and hit it into that position, and we just wait. Okay, so I'll do it with you guys now. I'll play the music, and that way you've got an idea of what's going on. 2 counts of 8 before we start. So we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right, right, left, right. Push, 2, 3, 4. Circle, circle, drag, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Point, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Down, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Throw, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, and hey! And hey! Walk around, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, right, left, right, right, left, right. Push, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Push, step, 5, 6, 7, and down. 2, 3, swing, 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 and throw. 2, 3. 5, 6, here we go again. And hey, and hey. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. And that's it. So that's basically the structure as it is from top to bottom, with the steps and with the music as well, and exactly how it's going to happen. So once you've done the first run through, you come around, pause for a couple of counts, and then we start up all over again. If you guys have any questions, let me know, and I'll help you out. Otherwise, I'll see you in class soon. Ciao.